Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on the Picot shell stitch. This is a very basic stitch that's worked over a repeat of 4 stitches plus 1. So we're going to be starting on that 1 stitch with a slip stitch, skip 1, and then we're going to make 3 double crochets into the next stitch. From this point we're going to chain 3 more and just drop that loop off your hook and hold it. Now I'm going to get my hook into the top of the 3rd stitch, right below the 2 V's, I guess you could call them. Pull that through, and now I've made a little picot stitch. And usually to close off a picot stitch you do a slip stitch. However, in this case I will not be doing a slip stitch. I am going to be inserting my hook again and making 2 more double crochets to complete the shell. To bring it back down, we're going to skip 1 more stitch, and into the next stitch I'm going to yarn over and slip stitch, and this is going to lock it into place. So let's do this one more time. Skip 1 stitch, make 3 double crochets into the next stitch, chain 1, 2, and 3, drop your loop, insert your hook back into the top of the 3rd stitch, pull your loop back through, yarn over and double crochet twice more before finally joining with a slip stitch after your next skipped stitch. So this is where our repeat comes from. I've used this to make a bikini top and I love the finishing. I also edged the shirt and I am making the bathing suit bottom and the skirt in the same manner. Both patterns along with the dress pattern will be available on my website this month. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you next week.